Giovanna Ferrari, and I'm the International Key Account Manager at Speroni. Let's talk about SPI. SPI is Speroni's Simple Post Interface, or a real hands-off post-processor communication with your machine tool control. You will simply measure your tool, print a label, and place it on your tool. We're now going to move over to the machine tool, where we can take the SPI scanner and scan the QR code. The offset data will automatically be transferred to the correct location in your machine tool's offset table. SPI Scanner gives you maximum flexibility and the advantage to manage your post-processor offsets for all your machine tools with just one single device. Depending on your shop floor layout and desired workflow, SPI can also be supplied as SPI Direct, where data will be transferred directly from your Speroni tool presetter to your machine tool's control offsets table, or as SPI Client, where the offset data will be transferred to a customer-provided PC, and from there it will be delivered directly to the different machine tool controllers when needed. SPI is currently compatible with the most popular machine tools and controls, such as Spanner, Heidenhain, Siemens, Mitsubishi, and Okuma. It is highly configurable to meet your workflow requirements, allowing for secure and mistake-free input of your measured offsets.